plays Caesar. Gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Morning Live.
Morning.
Jay, let's talk about Capella Caesar and what inspired it.
You know, what was really interesting about Julius Caesar in particular was it shows very much Shakespeare's hold on politics throughout all the epochs. So it was really fascinating for me how there were certain themes around political betrayal, the noble past, and then the extremely practical future and how to deal with the power struggles of the present. And how these all come together in a text that's 400 years old. So, but I was very interested in turning it into a dance production. So to make use of, you know, a kind of a contemporary African dance language of South Africa and incorporate some of those themes, but to actually in this production to turn it into a political thriller.
Yeah.
So it's actually in very much as much as it deals with such weighty themes as prophecy, as power, as ambition, and that relationship, that personal love relationship as well, that is also betrayed. It's also a political thriller, so it's quite adrenaline charged. And because we're doing it inside a stage, it was originally a site-specific work. We did it at the Joburg Stock Exchange. That was a lot of fun to have falling stock markets, etc., in that space. But inside the theatre, it tells the story in a very, very logical, progressive manner. And it turns it into something of a political thriller, which is exciting. And then, you know, then we've got great dancers doing it. And Mr. Konene playing the mighty Caesar. So, yeah, it's a...
Talk to us about that, playing Caesar. What went into preparing for a role of this gigantic character that is Julius Caesar?
Yes. I just need to say, I mean, the most interesting thing about it for me, it's a very classical show or classical book, and to find me as a person who come from Ekasi, mixing that classical vibe and this contemporary boy from Umlazi, I think that's the most interesting thing for me. And the procedure, went through it. It was an amazing thing, an amazing journey, and it's been 4 years actually playing this character. So it's been great. It's been amazing.
Jay, what makes Caesar such an interesting person to talk about? And so many years later, you know, you can't speak about English literature, not refer to him.
Well, I think it's because he was a combination of the noble dictator. You know, he brought within, and certainly within Shakespeare's character, Shakespeare's play, he brought a lot of good to Rome, but he was amassing a lot of power, and so when that happens, when you do a great deal of good, and you know, you become the top, and when you become on your own, it's also extremely dangerous. Of course, in the play, there's an assassination, which is, you know, well, one's not recommending an assassination, but the idea of the singular power makes Caesar extremely interesting, because he's a very beneficent dictator, but at the same time he's amassing all of this power. So it's a really, really interesting contradiction. And Brutus, the kind of anti-hero, is the really noble guy in the whole work. But he, played by Sandile Mkhize, he falls because he's got this flaw. He loves the country too much, but he goes the wrong path. He joins Cassius and Casca, who are the assassins, the senators who conspire to bring him down. So it's a very interesting, nuanced struggle between all those kinds of political decisions. But you know, as I said, you know, but told in a kind of a very in a thriller format. And at the end of it, of course, we have Octavia. We turned it into a woman who then gets power with Antony, because Brutus kills himself at the end, and then another regime starts. And then we, you know, at the end, it's quite suspended because we don't know. You know, we don't know, well, will this ruler slowly rise up to that level of power? And it does, you know, it brings to mind issues of democracy, etc.
Can you talk to us about the rest of your cast members? How do you guys complement each other? Jay mentioned Sandile in there. How do you guys marry each other to make this production? I mean, it's lasted for 4 years. Clearly, you guys are doing something right.
I'll tell you, the secret about it is that we are actually choreographing the steps, you know, and that Jay have given us tasks, words like ambition, drive, success, So those words, we literally take those words to choreograph movements with it. So on that procedure, on the studio, we help each other. By the time he comes, it's like easy for him as well. So we will just do a solo and be like, do I make sense? How's it? And then your friends or our colleagues will be like, okay, cool, do this, do that. We know Jay, he might like this, do this movement. Because for him, it's more not just dance. You need to say something with your dance, you know, talk to us, make us be in the moment, basically.
All right, gentlemen, thank you so much for talking to us. Good to have you in
pleasure.
Joburg for what?
Yes.
Director Jay Pather and the cast member of Qaphela Caesar, Nkanyi Sokunene, speaking to us about the interdisciplinary contemporary adaptation of William Caesar's Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, which opened at the State Theatre on Wednesday in Pretoria. So check it out. All right, let's take a break. Ruby Gold will play us out before we say goodbye. Stay with us.